Has the bear market started? Are we going to lose all our bags we have made? Are we going to go homeless? Are we going to go sign for a bankruptcy? I might need to. Alright, let's get to the video of the weekly market update of crypto. Crypto weekly market update. So, we're going to be going over where Bitcoin stands today, what has been happening, what's next, what's likely to be happening, right? Just a prediction, right? Just to update you guys of the market. I'm going to be updating Bitcoin, ETH, total 3 excluding ETH and Bitcoin, and Ethereum and ETH dominance, and some of my coins, right? Only one of them. So, and one thing you gotta keep in mind, I apologize to you guys about my background. My back is kind of bad right now. I just came from work, and you guys know, slave. But we're gonna make it out though, because I can't just be sitting down all day and doing nothing, right? Outside of trading, gotta go get capital, buy more funded, buy more challenges, gamble. So let's get to it, right? We've been going over Bitcoin first, right? So Bitcoin is this one right here, and this ETH. We're going to be going over in the weekly. You can see in a weekly time frame, the Bitcoin candle in the weekly time frame candle is pumping right all the way down, right? Which is not a good scenario. That means that this right over here, this high is getting supported, this high is getting respected. All of these highs are getting respected, right? Which is not a good thing. We want these to get broken, because if you want a bullish market, we want highs to get broken through and low is getting respected. And over here, I mean, low does look like it's getting respected, pull back out of it, boom, breaking it, right? But there was literally no highs there. But yeah, in the lower time frame, there was definitely a lot of highs. But you see, in the weekly time frame, we're not, we just pumped up by a lot, which is not a good scenario, man. I see price pushing back down at like 65K max, right? Anything below that should be not a good thing, because below 65K is like usually a bad thing, because every market is gonna dump, right? So Bitcoin right now is getting dogged on, right? It's just I don't know why it shouldn't be, just because of what happened recently, right? They're predicting that Kamala Harris is gonna win the election, so they're pricing in at Kamala's of the pricing for Kamala's win. So bearish market because of that. So bullish for Trump and bearish for Kamala Harris. You can see Kamala Harris has been messing up the market. Kamala. You can see how the market is pumping beforehand because of Trump. Now, what's the market doing? Dumping, because they think that Kamala Harris is gonna win. So basically, out of that. Now, what I do want to see is after November 5th. Now, right now is the 11/3/2024. At November 5th is where we should see a bullishness after the election, because election usually, if Trump wins, will pump up a lot. And the market loves Trump, man, because Trump is trying to save up the crypto market, so the market is definitely gonna pump afterward. So right now we could definitely see downside. We could see 65K, but right after November 5th, if Trump wins, this is gonna pump a lot, right? And that is right there. After November 5th, you should see the price move clearer because of Trump and Kamala Harris thing. And this is my other one right over here. This is my ETH. Let's go to ETH now, right? ETH is right now still here. Is a really good spot to accumulate, because as you know, market loves accumulation. When market accumulates, market makes big moves, right? You can see going back in the past. Where has market accumulated before? Over here, boom, blast it up, right? Market came back. Eventually, it's not a good spot to, you need to do some analysis to enter the trade, right? So you could have done DCA here, DCA, as down as it goes. Then eventually market accumulated throughout this whole range. This range high, this range low, right? Market accumulated, and what does market do? Pumped up, right? It's very simple. Accumulation usually leads to, expansions, right? It's basically same thing in other trades, right? It's same thing in other scenarios where, in the other market as well, stock, forex, futures, right? When market goes in phases, right? Market goes from accumulation to either manipulation or expansion. To the good happen accumulation. It says after accumulation could be a manipulation or expansion, and after expansion is expansion, right? And after expansion, it could, if it touches the key level, accumulation, or it could this is a key level, we can reverse, or just go to reverse, or just go to accumulation, right? Then do a retracement, then move up high from there, right? So I'm gonna get to that, and that's gonna be the topic for tomorrow: accumulation, manipulation, distribution, reaccumulation, and all of that, right? We're gonna be learning about that, and yeah. So market right now, I'm same thing. Market, I should see. This is a good spot for E to get in right now for DCA. Is a really good time because every stock market is every coin is pumped down to the ground because this is only this when Bitcoin pumps a lot, like in like, you know, when Bitcoin pumps out of nowhere, other coins usually don't have a chance to pump up, right? And it's only Bitcoin dominance, right? Let's see, now let's go to 33 for this right here, 33, and for this let's go to Ether Bitcoin dominance. See, dominance is winning, man. This is like the worst chart ever, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, this is why we're getting cooked because the dominance is crazy. So that's why you want to be investing in Solana, ETH, at top 3 mainly, right? So right over here, and the total market cap excluding Bitcoin and ETH is, as I said, man, accumulation, market leads to expansion, right? Market accumulated right over here, right? You can see 1, 2, 3, manipulation. So that you can call that as a manipulation because market souped out the lows. Expansion, right? Market touched some sort of, again, I don't know what it touched, right? You did touch some sort of key level. Market eventually did what? Straight away to went to another expansion, another range, then eventually expansion, right? To the downside, the market, the same thing like that, right? So right now we're replacing it right now is at accumulation because there's some sort of lows getting stepped out, like this low getting stepped out and going back to a expansion or accumulation, manipulation, and expansion. Right, and for this is just a no-brainer, right? You know, I want to see all these gonna be happening soon. So once it gains dominance after it like rips up one big candle, rips up to the upside, we should definitely see altcoins ripping up afterward because investors like to diversify their capital, go from Bitcoin to middle coin to large form Bitcoin, so like the big ETH, Bitcoin, move down to Bitcoins, right? Big coins, not Bitcoin. Big coins, then move out to middle coins, large caps, medium caps, and low caps, right? Gems, and eventually pump up the whole market, and everybody is green. Eventually, you know what happens afterward. And right now, the coin I'm investing in, doodling in the bed. I'm not currently investing in it. I'm just waiting for the same thing. I'm just waiting for all season to start. At this point, I invested too much money in there. I am basically. There's a lot I still have capital to invest in. I'm not gonna go in unless I see some sort of bullish things out of this. Then eventually I'm gonna start reading DCAing because you know how DCA works. Not to get too deep to that. And over here, Solana, I'm not investing into it, but yeah, in a weekly time frame, it's just some people have some trade from here to the upside. Right now, it's still in a good spot. Right now, you can see. We should see that. We should definitely see some bullish movie out of these meme coins. These meme coins should be popping out the market because of the election meme coin on November 5th. That's my market update. Very easy. And be careful. This is not a financial advice. And thank you for watching.